After replacing the switch electric assembly, the firmware must be updated using the diagnostic tool. Remove the battery from the mower. Adjust the seat to the front position. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 4 cover plate screws behind the seat, then remove it. Unplug the 2 wire harness connectors as shown. Push down on the diagnostic port to release it from its fixed position. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 3 screws on the inside of the LCD control panel. Push the panel inward towards the seat and lift it out of the right cover. Use a T20 bit to loosen the 9 screws to separate the control panel from the control box base. Disconnect the 4 connectors from the switch electric assembly, then the switch electric assembly can be removed. Plug the 4 connectors into the new switch electric assembly, then assemble it in the pocket inside the storage box. Assemble the control panel and control box base together, then use a T20 bit to tighten 9 screws. The recommended torque is 0.7 to 0.8 Newton meters or 6 to 7 inch-pounds. Insert the control panel box assembly in the right cover opening, then slide it away from the seat. Use a T20 bit to tighten the 3 screws on the inside of the LCD control panel. Plug 2 wire harness connectors. Pull the diagnostic connector from under to fix it in its position. Place the cover plate in the correct position behind the seat, then use a T20 bit to tighten the 4 screws to secure it. The recommended torque is 0.5 to 0.6 Newton meters or 4 to 5 inch-pounds.